Hi, welcome to Cedia Day 1.
Talking about big things in Texas, one of the biggest products that we'll have is our video wall product, which is our VW4x4Pro. And what's awesome about it is you can create huge video walls using regular displays that are out there. So whichever display or TV that you want to use, 4 of them, and how many different modes?
8 different video wall modes, including a special mode, since as Dan mentioned, you can do standard consumer or professional displays, but they don't need to be video wall monitors. A special mode that allows you to flip your top row of monitors so that that bottom bezel, which is typically a little thicker or perhaps has that bump for the IR sensor, can be flipped so that that's mounted upward.
Very cool. All right, we're going to take a closer look at the VW 4x4. So Jonathan, on this particular unit, on the top right here we have the front. On the bottom we actually have the rear of the unit. Let's go through inputs and outputs and some of the different applications that you can put this into.
Well, it's really simple. There's 4 video inputs, HDMI or VGA, and you could actually toggle between which connection you'd like to be live, because this is a product that is designed especially for commercial applications. We wanted to make sure we had that analog video connectivity. And then you also have your 4 HDMI outputs. So all the outputs are on HDMI. Now, Dan was saying that you could go larger with this, and it's possible by cascading those. You'll want to contact KeyDigital System Design Group in order to get that specified with the factory stamp of approval, of course. You also have RS-232 and IP control, which is actually how we're interfacing with it right now through Compass Control and through the free brand new KeyDigital app, because this is an app-ready product.
Look at Enterprise AV. It's a highly anticipated product that everyone's been waiting for. What's so amazing with this is now KeyDigital gives you a hardware and software solution that allows you to customize and make your own matrix switcher of any size, all using a network switcher. So Jonathan, what kind of switchers can our dealers use in order to create these really large matrices?
Well, the short answer is any IGMP supporting network switch. Here at Cedia, we're showing one of our partner products. This is Arachnus by Snap AV. And then on another one of our towers, we're showing Linksys, another partner product. We have a list of verified network switchers where we actually walk you through step by step. It's a very short process, 3 pages, mostly pictures of how to set up the IGMP.
That's awesome. So they're not having to use a layer 3 switch or a set of VLANs, right?
That's correct. Not necessary.
Okay, excellent. So let's take a closer look at the product and see the application that we have here. An awesome live demo setup that Jonathan worked really hard on. So here you go. Take us through and show us this demo.
Well, great. Thank you. So we're actually demonstrating here Enterprise AV HD over IP by KeyDigital. It's a 1080p solution. And we're showing people how to configure the system using the KD-IP120 PC tool software. It's really as simple as plugging your units into your network, doing a network scan, monitoring the status bar down here. It collects the information. You could double click the unit that you pop up. You could provide it a friendly name, provide it its desired IP address, and tell us what is the default gateway of your network. You update and reboot the unit, and now it's live and ready to use in Enterprise AV. And you repeat the process for all of your units. And then from there, you're able to use the KeyDigital app free of charge. This is an app not only for Enterprise AV, but now all current and new IP controllable products from KeyDigital are app ready. So here we are, it populates with the names, those friendly names that we provided, and when we press the other source here, then we see on our monitor up top, of course, the switching happens, and so now we're able to see our PC. And I'll show you actually, we also, because you're gonna love to show this to your clients, we could go into demos where we have all of our different products, including, for example, the very popular multi-viewer MLV 4x2. You could put this in a conference room and hand over a free app to your client. But back to Enterprise AV, because we could even do things like create presets out of our current configuration and rename the presets to call it day mode, night mode, however you wish to refer to it in your bar restaurant, or house of worship, for example. This is going to be a very popular feature that is very end user friendly and enables the best experience possible for your HD over IP with KeyDigital's Enterprise AV.
So for more, check out KeyDigital.com, like us, like this video, share this video, and we'll see you next time.